Hey there, everybody. I know it's been a while. We're doing another container. This time we're doing one for OpenShot. Now, OpenShot is another open source video editor, and I figure why not do another one while we're at it? And let's set up this Docker container, get it spun up, and you'll have another video editor that you can use in a container if you have to do some offsite editing. So, without further ado, let's go down and find our YAML configuration. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Don't think that's it. No, we are looking for this right here. Okay, our Docker Compose. Now we're going to do this one by hand. We're not going to use the compose file. So we're going to go to container, add a container. We'll call this OpenShot. Excuse me. It's going to want us pulling from this image location from Linux server. We do Control V. So we got our image pull in there. We named our container already. We're going to need process user ID and a process group ID. So let's go ahead and go down to our, where they are, environment. Add and add. We'll have our process user ID and our process group ID. We will need 1000 for both of these for me. As always, be sure to check your computer, your network, or whoever you're sharing with, and find out what your process user ID and your group ID is. Time zone, I forgot about that. Let's go ahead and add a time zone. For me, I will do America / new _ York for EST time zone. And we'll need to make a folder. All right, so let's go here. We'll go to downloads and we'll do create new folder and we'll call this OpenShot. Then we'll need to go into OpenShot and we'll make one more folder called config. And this is where we will house what else? Our config folder. Go ahead and copy our path. And the container is looking for /config in that volume. So let's go ahead and go to our volumes. We will map an additional volume. We will bind it. The container was looking for /config. And then we'll post our host path. This is where our persistent configuration will stay. It wants ports 3000 and 3001 for the container. So let's go ahead and go to our ports, map, and it wanted 3000, whoops, and 3001. Over here, I will do 8888. And for this one, I will do 8889. And shared memory size, I'm not going to worry about. Restart unless stopped, I'm not going to worry about. Let's go ahead and see if we can't spin up our container. If it takes a while, I do have editing software and I will now cut it out. Okay, and it looks like we are back. OpenShot is now downloaded and running. Let's check our logs real quick. So it looks like it's using Selkies. Okay. All right, let's jump into our container. What was our port again? 3 8s and a 9. So let's do for local on the same machine that you're running Docker. You can do localhost, but if not, it'll be your LAN IP or your Docker IP, your NAS IP, excuse me. So localhost 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bad request needs to be HTTPS. Okay, so HTTPS localhost advanced. I know about the risk. Please fix the following error and restart. OpenShot, no channels. Not sure what that is supposed to mean. So audio settings. Built-in audio, that's fine. There we go. Probably because I'm on a virtual machine as well. That might be a reason we needed to do that. So, alright. Game mode, full screen. Nah, I'm good. Alright, so Alright, that should be good. Alright, Selkies don't really need you open up here anymore. I don't want to disable. Let's go ahead and shrink that back. How do we slide your dropout drawer? That would be a good thing to know, wouldn't it? What if we just refresh? Yeah. There we go. Alright, now that we're in here, and I'll probably cut that out as well. Now that we're here, let's take a look around. We have new project, open project, import files, and choose a profile. Let's see what it's like to start a new project. Oh, it just literally has untitled project. Okay. So file, what do we got here? Recent, save project as, import. What kind of exports do you have? Let's see, export video. So you have H.264. Do you have NVENC? Probably not because of this computer. You got 265. That's nice. Havoc. Actually, quite a few options, honestly. Very nice. Okay. Profile. All formats. Blu-ray, DVD, device, and web. So with web, we have our target. We want YouTube HD. Look at that. Full HD, 1080p at 30 frames a second. High quality. That's a nice little feature. Okay, so we'll go ahead and cancel and get out of here. Welcome to OneShot. I'm going to hide the tutorial. Let's see, file, and then you can also import a project. Let's see if I click new project here. Yeah, okay. No. And then start a whole new project. Oh, export video is also here. Save project. What file formats can we save in? File. Yeah, save project as. Uh-oh, I think my VM is going. No. Okay, it's because I haven't done anything. I thought my VM was going slow. Oh, there it is. Save project as. What do we got? We have OpenShot. Okay, you can only save it as an OpenShot project if you save your raw footage. Or your edited footage, not your raw footage, excuse me. Okay, but anyway, it's looking like this is a good little free version of editing software. You got, video tracks, audio tracks, and we'll see where it goes from there. But for now, we've got this set up. It's running. It uses Selkies, and we are good to go. Without further ado, thank you for dropping by. We've spun up yet another container. I hope it helps you and have fun editing. I'm going to leave that in there. Have a good one, everybody.